Guidelines for Safety in Effluent Treatment Plant (ETP) Operation. Effluent Treatment Plant (ETP) operations involve various hazards due to the nature of the work and the substances handled. To ensure safety, it is crucial to identify potential hazards and implement appropriate preventive and remedial measures. Below are detailed guidelines to enhance occupational safety and health (OSH) in ETP operations. Hazard identification. ETP operators face numerous hazards, which can be categorized as follows. Slips and falls. Floors can become slippery due to water, aqueous solutions, or solvents. Blows and contusions. Heavy articles, including chemical containers, may fall from overhead conveyors, or operators may come into contact with moving machinery or vehicles. Drowning and injuries. Falls into ponds, pits, clarifiers, or tanks can cause serious injuries or drowning. Confined space hazards. Entry into confined spaces may lead to suffocation due to oxygen deficiency or poisoning, example, by hydrogen sulfide. Burns, steam, hot vapors, splashes of hot liquids, or contact with hot surfaces can cause burns. Electrical hazards. Faulty electrical equipment and cables can lead to electric shocks. Cuts and pricks. Sharp tools, edges of articles, or deposits on jigs can cause cuts and pricks. Eye injuries. Flying particles from cleaning or grinding can injure the eyes. Fire and explosions. Flammable gases released during processing, example, methane, hydrogen, can cause fires or explosions. Chemical reactions. Uncontrolled mixing of chemicals can lead to vigorous and dangerous reactions. Poisoning. Acute poisoning can occur from various chemicals in wastes, reagents, or gases released during treatment. Intoxication. Drinking untreated wastewater can cause acute intoxication. Phosgene poisoning. Smoking in the presence of chlorinated solvent vapors or using welding flames in such conditions can produce phosgene. Chemical burns. Corrosive liquids can cause burns, and splashes can damage the eyes. Infectious diseases. Raw domestic wastewater can contain bacteria, viruses, protozoa, helminths, and fungi, posing infection risks. General safety instructions for ETE operation. Chemical handling. Do not mix chemicals without supervision from a qualified chemist or safety professional. Safety instructions. Follow all safety instructions for storing, transporting, handling, or pouring chemicals. Electrical safety. Check electrical equipment before use, ensure cables are insulated, and have faulty equipment inspected by a technician. Handling corrosive agents. Take extreme care with highly corrosive agents and follow safety protocols. Confined spaces. Follow safety instructions for confined spaces. Check for oxygen levels and poisonous gases. Use respiratory protection and have a coworker stand guard. Hygiene. Do not smoke, eat, or drink in areas with potential chemical or biological contamination. Medical examinations. Undergo periodic medical examinations to detect early symptoms of chronic effects or allergies. Lifting techniques. Learn and use safe lifting techniques for heavy or awkward loads, and use mechanical aids. Personal protective equipment (PPE) for ETE operations. Footwear. Use safety shoes or boots with non-slip soles. Eye protection. Wear safety goggles to protect against dust, flying particles, or liquid splashes. PPE and clothing. Wear personal protective equipment (PPE) and chemical-resistant clothing to avoid skin or eye exposure to hazardous substances. Respiratory protection. Use respirators or gas masks when exposed to harmful aerosols, dusts, vapors, or gases. Glove use. Use non-latex gloves if allergic to latex. By adhering to these guidelines, and consistently using appropriate PPE, ETP operators can significantly reduce the risk of injuries and health issues associated with their work.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.